We're recording. All right, Cassidy. Ladies and gentlemen of wherever you're from. We are in California. Okay? People on Facebook have probably seen a couple photos flying around my page of me holding some lobsters. You're going to probably see them right now flashing on your screen. Okay? Memories. This is Puerto Nuevo style lobster. I'm going to give you an idea of what we're going to be doing today. Cassie, take a video of what is in our fridge currently. We have 10 live California coast spiny lobsters, no claws. This is not Maine lobster, this is spiny lobster for a reason. Okay? And we're going to be taking these bad boys. Cute little guys that's clicking. And we're going to be cooking them up Puerto Nuevo style. And we're going to show you exactly how we do that. Alright? So let's go over here to our pot of boiling water. Almost boiling. This is our pot of chilled water. This is our chill bath. So once that lobsters come out of here, we're going to be cooking them for 3 minutes. In our mixture of spices we're about to put in there, we have menudo seasoning. That's going in. Move that on my scissors. Okay. Menudo seasoning. Look in the pot. Don't put the camera in the pot. Just look in the pot. Okay, menudo seasoning. Alright, now we're going to go to our fridge. Negro Modelo Cerveza. It's our other seasoning. Whoops! Not in the guacamole. God, that was covered. 1 bottle. Going in to the pot. Okay? We're now going to grab our lobsters and we're going to put them in our bath.
Oh. Although I want to keep them as pets.
Yep. They're going in my belly. Alright. Mom, start a timer for 3 minutes.
3?
Yeah.
Okay, ready.
Okay, come over here. Stand right over there. And start.
One more.
Keep counting. I forgot to count. Sit. Get in there, bastard. Okay, so now we got all the buggers cooked. They're in their ice bath right here. And what we're doing now is we're splitting them because Puerto Nuevo lobster is lobster that's split in half. And then we're going to be putting these in the fryer. They're deep fried. So let's show you, if you're curious. I got my mallet. And we're going to line that up between the antennas. And we're going to Want to be as even as possible. So now we have them split. Now we take out the tamale. We call it the tamale, which are the innards that we don't eat. That goes there. Second one, tamale, innards. And then I ordered a giant 22-inch carbon steel wok so that we can deep fry these beautiful morsels in our fryer. And we'll get to that process next. Welcome back to our mother's birthday night. Hello, Mother. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
We are going to, now that we have all our lobsters cut in half, we're going to do some little bit of seasoning for them. And what we have in here is 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of adobo seasoning, and we're going to mix this up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Like my nana used to say. Mix it up. Okay. Can I have that pan, Mom? Give me that. Okay. So now. Alright. That's our refried beans. And we're going to take these beautiful guys. Now these guys don't have pinchers, but as you can see with my Band-Aid, they are dangerous still. They still got me. They're spiny lobsters and they're prickly. So we're going to line these up like so.
Imagine if one moves.
No. Dead. Okay. And we're not going to coat these in flour. We just want a little sprinkle just to give them a little bit of, just to get them a little coating when they go into the fryer. Now there's a guy on YouTube that taught me how to do this. And I don't know your name, buddy, but I will be linking my video to your video, because thank you so much for your tips and tricks and your location getting the lobsters here in San Diego delivered right to my house. 10 live lobsters. They were all live. Okay. Now we'll get the rest of these coated up. Okay, so we've cooked our lobsters. The last 4 halves are in the pot right now. I used 2 containers of lard. And here's our finished product right here. Some refried beans, some rice, tortillas, guacamole,
Salsa.
Salsa.
And me.
And the birthday girl, Mama. This is what it is, man, right here. This is what it's, and you guys will see my photos of me when I was 10 years old holding up these lobsters. I grew up on this stuff.
Do it again.
Oh yeah, let's do that. A before and after lobsters, Puerto Nuevo style. So that's it. Now it's time to chow down because it's late.